I will show you how to make this virtual on-screen keyboard that can be used to any application. So at first we have a property JSON schema here. This procap is used to make capitalized letter, and this is for the small letter. Okay, so based on the schema, we can add class. Let me name it T. So we can see from this part we don't have any kind of name for the index, the key. So we will use root public class. I change the as root. Row. Since we have the same attributes here, so we will use the same class, and we can inherit from row 1 and until row 5. Then decide with get set. Okay, we have done here. Public class row 1 inherit from row. Public class row 2 no. or you can go to JSON to C#.com and it will convert your class automatically for 5 row. Okay, now we are done. Since row 1 contains many contents lists, so we can make public list, the class name, row 1, row 1 gets public list, row 2 row 2 row 2 row 3 row 4 row 5. Okay, now we are done. We have the class root that we can call, and then add the class capitalize. Property class low letter capitalize. Public string property let it be your address for prop JSON or procap JSON. This is for low letter, so I put prop JSON and uppercase letter, capitalize public string property let it be your procap JSON. Oh, sorry. And then we can create the class for letter. Public class letter, private string private string builder Okay, now we have done this. Let's go to the main window XAML. I have a stack panel class name with a vertical alignment bottom, so I will put the keyboard inside the stack panel programmatically. To do that, we're going to the main window XAML. So at the main windows we have initialize component, and I will create the generate keyboard function. Generate keyboard. So what to do now? Let's create a capitalize ball. Ball is capitalize. Balls. We will get the value from the class root, and for generate keyboard, so we want to change when we press shift, it will exchange from upper letter to uppercase letter to lower letter, or reverse from the lower letter to uppercase letter. So I will put the new stack panel. I will name it SP, since we have stack panel name SP here. I will put it stack panel, new stack panel. Don't forget to call the root, maybe that's root, and then the type of root, since we want to make a looping from this class. Type of the root. Okay, type of root, and get the property string address. Get the property of the JSON is capitalized. So if is capitalized is true, it will return the new upper letter class. Yes, upper letter class. And the property, another one, low letter class dot property. Okay, so we have done this. Now let's use stream reader to read the whole component of our JSON property. I will use using, so after we don't use the stream reader again, it will destroy automatically. Stream reader, new stream reader. New stream reader. Now we can read SR read to an address. No. another address here. Okay, let's put the string line so we call as a string read to end, and after that we have string line after read until end. We can go to r become JSON serializer. the serializer root I put a string line here, so it will empty. Okay, serializer root. Wait. Fine. And then after get the air, we have option. So I will get the new JSON serializer option. So I change to serializer option. I change to the camel case. Property policy JSON naming policy.camelcase, yes, and right indented true, right indented true. Okay, we have done this. And for JSON string convert it JSON serialize list property our option, yes. Okay, since it's GObject row GObject parse JSON string. Okay, string. So after looping, we will create list first to implement the value. We compare if the value is not the same, it will create the row definition. Why? This is for the plus because we will do for each. And grid, dynamic grid. no, with the property, height, put it 400, width, put it 100, 1500. Vertical alignment, we want to make it at the top, vertical alignment top. Okay. Vertical alignment top. So what we do now, we have great. Then we will loop for each class in type dot get properties, get properties. Yeah, we will loop over the for list name is class name. Okay, and then for list name is class name. If list first is different from list name, if it's different from list name, we make dynamic grid. No. Background, new solid color brush. Solid color brush, color dot like sky blue. Like sky blue. Token line row dot root, select token, yeah, select token, list name. This is when we call Newtonsoft JSON.linkQ. We query from the token within the link queue. Now what we do, we create the value for the column, each column, for each JToken item in L row. So it will loop each button, content item dot value dot content string. No. Oh yes, string text content, yeah. With item dot value integer with height item dot value integer height. Horizontal alignment left. Okay, now we are done. After that, we create the dynamic grid. Dynamic grid dot row definition dot add new row definition. Height new grid length new row definition new grid length new button dot height plus 5. Height new button height plus 5 grid length cannot convert to double. Okay, yeah, plus 5. Okay, now we can set column grid dot set column grid dot set column new button X. It will put our button in the set column. If new button dot width is more than 70, so we can put call convert to integer new button dot width divided by 70. and then integer skip call. This skip call is used for maintain the space between the column grid, set column span, new button, col x plus skip call. Okay. Else dynamic grid dot column definition add new column definition width equals to new grid length, so I put between the margin between the button, new button dot width. Okay. Width. Okay. Then since it loop beside the inside the for each, and then we put grid dot set row new button y. Here y still 0, and then loop outside it's more than 4, or the total is 5 row. Dynamic regression dot add new button yeah, x plus after x plus, then here for each the row we did y plus and list first equals to list name. Yeah. After that we put dynamic dot add dynamic grid. We put our grid inside the stack panel, and this content equal to SP. Yeah. Let's try. I previously have mgu track classes. I don't have again track classes. Okay. Oh, let me stop this first. Okay. The problem is I have wrong address. Row, class name, row 1. So we have a row 1. The class is row 1. But I have row, look, this is lowercase, so I put two lower here. Okay, now we have our keyboard. So what do we do for the shift? No, we haven't put any action yet. So we need to put the new button. Even handler button click. This is because this function is not found, so we need to create the function. Let's do here, right, button click, object, sender, root, even arcs, what we need is a new var. Let's put it b1 as sender equals to sender as button, then okay, so now if b1 dot content is safe. No, let's put we don't have the name of the button. I'm sorry, I forgot. Name item dot value integer ASCII. It should be unique. Button name equals to button 13. Is capitalized will be changed to not is capitalized. keyboard, generate keyboard, generate keyboard. Oh, we put inside the wrong. No, I think it's not the wrong. Here. Partial for generic keyboard. Yes. Here. Not here. Not here. It's missing. This one for the bubble partial. Okay. This one. Now this is good. Create a new text box. TV. New text box. TB dot text equals to b1 dot content dot to string. We want content dot to string, and then we can add this big children at tb. No, we must call the letter, but we cannot call here. We call in the first main letter, new letter. L dot set sentence contains the B, this one. Yeah, so we put here tb.text else a sentence. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, I have 2 errors. Syntax error expected. Button, new button. New button, click. New button, click. Yeah. Put it here. Okay. ASCII to string. Yeah. And X, so we need to remove the children. Here, if children account is more than one, we remove the SP children. Dot remove SP children 1. Okay. Now we are done. Save. X, Z,